Good afternoon. This is meteorologist Dean Davison from the Weather Pros, and we are talking about the 2018-2019 winter forecast for Roanoke, Blacksburg, and Lynchburg, Virginia. Let's take a look at a few things that are leading towards us to have above average snowfall this year. First, we will take a look at all the winters we have had since 1950 and the four varieties. We've had 25 El Niños, 21 La Niñas, 21 neutrals. We also have had 10 weak El Niños, 7 moderate, 5 strong, and 3 super El Niños. Looking at this, we're seeing where we're trending for winter this year. And it looks like to be a moderate El Niño. That being said, we look at the weak El Niños to moderate El Niños, and the areas we're looking at the analog years: 77, 78, 79, 80, 2004, 5, 2006, 7, 2014, 15, all snowy years. 86, 87, 94, 95, 2002, 2003, very snowy, and same with 9, 10. I feel we're going to get closer to this moderate level, which means we're probably going to have a decently above average season of snow. So take a look at Roanoke. We're average at 16.6. Our projected snowfall for the Weather Pros is 27.5 snow, with multiple moderate snowstorms and ice storms also potentially going to be a problem. Lynchburg's usually 12.9 inches as an average. We're saying 25 inches with the same type of situation. Blacksburg, we're going to even have more. 25.4 inches your average snow. We're expecting at least 10 inches more. Projected snow for Blacksburg this year, and Virginia Tech, 35 inches. You should trust us here at the Weather Pros. We have Rob Reno, the National Forecaster of the Year from the National Weather Association. I, Dean D. Davison, am a member of the meteorologist. I'm a member of the National Weather Association, the American Meteorological Society, and also the local chapters committeeman for the National Weather Association. And I've been to many places, and I am one of the founding members of that did a lot of the background work for the Blue Ridge chapter of the AMS, and one of the founding members of the Philadelphia, Delaware Valley AMS. SIMA, Associated Press, New Jersey Landscapers Association, New Mexico Broadcasters Association with Rob Reno. Philly.com gave Rob Reno the most reliable meteorologist. So our head of our company is the most reliable meteorologist. An Emmy in 1996, Philadelphia Magazine, most accurate seasonal snowfall, Superstorm Sandy Award. We just don't do snow. We do outside of snow, but snow is our big thing. And Cleveland.com also. We are a very awarded weather company. And how do you get information from us? Try us on a free trial. We do things for outdoors people. We do things for plow companies, landscapers, you name it. We give out a free trial to try us, to see how you like us before you would ever have to pay a dime. And our prices are cheaper than most, if not all, other snow companies. So please give us a try. We would love to have you if you're in those businesses. And also, enjoy the snow this year. It looks like it's going to be a snowier than normal winter. So we can enjoy that. If any of the indication of how wet it's been here in the Roanoke Valley this summer, we're going to have a great winter. Other than that, we will talk to you later. Thank you for watching. Meteorologist Dean Davison for the Weather Pros. Have a great day.